Politics of deception. The politics of deception is defined by an attempted mixture of good tree and bad tree characteristics. The purveyors of this kind of politics thrive on false premises, including forged identities, contrived statistics, deliberate misinformation, propaganda, and such post-truth anecdotes that became known as alternative facts in the government of former US President Donald Trump. In addition to false promises, they have no intention of fulfilling the design to lure unsuspecting voters. It was such politicians that former French President Charles de Gaulle referred to when he said, "Since a politician never believes what he says, he is quite surprised to be taken at his word." The governance implication of the politics of deception is a lack of accountability and transparency, as well as a legacy of failed promises, because deceptive means cannot bring about a credible end. Number 3, politics of manipulation. Listen to this very well. If you have ever wondered why some political leaders have their countries, their regions, or their states in the palm of their hand, as though such territories were their private estates and the people their zombie subjects, then welcome to the workings of the politics of manipulation. Manipulative politicians are masters at the art of mind control. They deploy various means, from the hypnotic to the philanthropic, to maintain loyalty to such an extent that defies rationality. Politics of betrayal. This is so common here. The policy of betrayal is a brand of transactional politics deployed by candidates who lack a sense of loyalty. Policy of betrayal is what is at play when political leaders sell out members of their political party for political gain. For instance, when in a bid to win a particular state at the presidential election, a presidential candidate of a given party makes backdoor deals with the governor of that state, who is from an opposing political party, in such a manner that throws the governorship candidate of his party under the bus. That is the politics of betrayal at play. Politics of betrayal amounts to what Mahatma Gandhi describes as politics without principles, and it will ultimately produce unprincipled leaders who will not hesitate to betray the citizens when they are faced with difficult choices.